You ever felt like there's something left unsaid between you and that person who stirs your heart so much? That silence that weighs in the air, that absence of words that seems to hide deep feelings, but are never revealed? Maybe you wonder why, despite all the signs, things never become clear. The lingering gazes, the gestures that speak louder than any words, and yet, you find yourself trapped in eternal doubt. It's painful, isn't it? Living in uncertainty, wondering if what you feel is real or just a product of your imagination. If that person is hiding something or simply doesn't feel the same. And this lack of clarity, this silence, has been hurting you inside. Each day that passes without a concrete answer feels like a blow to your hope, leaving you more confused and insecure about this connection. You find yourself reliving moments, looking for clues, trying to understand why that person never fully opened up. The fear of completely surrendering to a feeling that may never be reciprocated consumes you. Maybe you've tried to move on, but that emptiness, that emotional gap, continues to haunt you. But know that you are not alone in this. There is a reason for everything you have been through, and what is to come may finally bring the answers you have been searching for. Stay tuned, because this anguish, this doubt that haunts you, is about to be dissolved in a way you never imagined. What you are about to discover can completely transform your perspective. The pieces of this emotional puzzle are about to come together, bringing relief to your heart. Get ready, because everything that has been stuck in silence is about to be unveiled. What this person feels is so intense that emotions have been consuming her from within. No matter how much she has tried to ignore or push away this feeling, it always comes back, stronger, more irresistible. Her heart is about to burst with emotion, and she can no longer keep this secret in silence. Each day, it becomes harder to hide what she truly thinks of you, and the angels reveal that the time for this truth to come to light is approaching. There have been moments when this person thought it would be better to withdraw, to believe that everything could be easier if she kept her distance. But deep down, something greater calls her back. It is as if an invisible force, something far beyond human understanding, guides each step back to you. And the angels confirm, this connection is not by chance. You are brought together by something divine, something that transcends logical explanations. If you have ever wondered if this person truly feels something for you, the answer is clear, yes, and more than you can imagine. But the intensity of this love is so great that fear paralyzed her for a long time. Now, however, that fear is dissipating. The angels are preparing the way for this person to finally have the courage to open up, to show everything she holds in her heart. This is the moment for you to prepare, because what is to come can change everything. The barriers that once prevented this person from getting closer are starting to crumble. Each passing day, she realizes that she can no longer deny what she feels. The facade of indifference, the moments of silence, all of that was just an attempt to protect herself from the impact that this truth would have. But now, the angels are working behind the scenes, guiding this person to feel safe in opening her heart. Here's what the angels want you to know. When this truth is revealed, it will be like an explosion of emotions, something you never expected to hear. What comes next will surprise you, and you will realize that everything you've been through so far has been just a preparation for this moment. The angels ask you to keep your heart open because this person is about to take a step that will transform everything you know about this relationship. This revelation, however, will not be easy. For this person, opening their heart will require a great deal of courage. For a long time, they have hidden their true feelings out of fear of what might happen. But now, with the help of the angels, they are gathering strength to tell you what they could never before. And when that happens, you will see that everything they hid, all the fears and insecurities, were actually barriers to protect something much more precious, the love they feel for you. Are you ready for this truth? The angels ask you to trust the process because what is coming is the beginning of a new phase, a new cycle that may bring a depth deeper than you ever imagined. This person will finally tell you how they feel, and you will see that, deep down, you always knew this moment would come. The angels are by your side, guiding every step of this journey. They whisper in your heart that everything is aligning for this revelation to happen at the right moment. And when it does, there will be no turning back. Get ready for what is to come because the truth will finally be revealed. Now that you know that something great is about to happen, the angels ask you to look fondly at the moments you have already lived with this person. Reflect on the signs she has already shown, the gestures that subtly revealed what was hidden in her heart. Perhaps it was a lingering gaze, a more intense touch of hands, or even words spoken with hesitation, as if she was about to open up, but fear made her retract at the last second. This behavior of coming and going, this indecision, was not for no reason. There was an internal struggle happening within this person, a conflict between reason and heart. The angels reveal that, for a long time, this person wondered if she should take this step towards you, but something always made her stop. Perhaps the fear of rejection, the fear that things would change between you, or even the weight of past experiences that left deep scars. But now, this battle is about to end. Her heart can no longer bear to hold this truth. It's as if with each passing day, the pressure to say what she truly feels increases, and the weight of it becomes increasingly unbearable. The angels show that this person is going through moments of deep reflection, where she is revisiting all the moments spent by your side, the conversations, the exchanged looks. And in the midst of this review, a certainty is starting to emerge. She can no longer ignore what she feels for you. You may have noticed that this person has been acting differently lately. Perhaps she has been more open, more present, or even more cautious. All of this is part of the preparation process for the great moment when she will finally open up. The angels say that you should pay attention to these signs because they indicate that her heart is preparing to reveal the truth to you. But at the same time that this person feels the need to open up, there is still a trace of fear that makes them hesitate. This fear is understandable, because opening up to someone, especially when feelings are so deep, can be scary. But the angels are by their side, guiding them with love and protection, so that this moment can be as sincere and authentic as possible. What you need to know now is that this love is real. It has always been real, even in moments of doubt, even when this person seemed distant. The angels reveal that every step they have taken, no matter how hesitant it may have been, was towards you. And now the road is clear, the path is ready for them to come to you with an open heart, without any more barriers or reservations. However, the angels ask you to prepare yourself, because this revelation can bring intense emotions to the surface. When someone holds such deep feelings for so long, releasing them can be like an avalanche, a flood of emotions that finally find a way to flow. And you, who have been waiting for this moment, need to be ready to receive it with an open heart, with understanding and patience. This person may take a bit longer than you expect to fully open up, but the angels assure you that the process has already begun. They are gathering the courage to tell you what they have never been able to before, and you will be there to receive that truth. It may be that they still feel the need to test the waters, to take small steps before diving completely into this confession, but each gesture, each word, will be a step towards complete revelation. The angels are guiding everything carefully, so that this moment will be perfect. Not perfect in the sense of being easy, but perfect in its truth, in its authenticity. They ask you to trust in divine timing, because what is to come is something that will transform not only the relationship between you both, but also the way you see love. What this person is about to tell you is not just a simple confession of feelings. It is a surrender, a baring of the soul, something she has never done before. And the angels are preparing the ground for this to happen in the best possible way. They want you to know that when this truth is revealed, you will understand everything you have gone through so far. All the moments of uncertainty, all the doubts that arose, will have a new meaning, and you will see that everything was part of a larger, divinely orchestrated plan. The angels ask you to keep your heart open and prepare to receive this truth with love. Because what is to come is greater than anything you have ever imagined. Now that you are prepared for what is to come, the angels want you to know that this journey, both for you and for this person, has been a test of faith, patience, and love. Many times, you may have felt lost, not knowing if what you were feeling was reciprocated. Perhaps you have questioned whether this bond was really as special as it seemed. The angels want to confirm that yes, this connection is unique and was guided by the divine. They reveal that this person, for a long time, tried to suppress what she felt out of fear that these feelings would make her lose control. Perhaps you noticed that at times she would come close, but then quickly pull away. This was not because she didn't care, but because the love she felt for you scared her. The angels show that she fought against this feeling, trying to keep it under control, but now, that has become impossible. There is something special in your energy, something that this person cannot ignore. It's as if your presence brings out feelings she had never experienced before. The angels show that you ignited a flame within her, a flame that illuminated parts of her soul that were dormant. And now, that light is impossible to extinguish. If there have been moments of silence, moments when you wondered why that person wouldn't open up, the angels want you to understand that this was part of a healing process. That person needed time to grasp the depth of their feelings, to accept that they could no longer fight against this love. The angels have been by their side all this time, helping them find clarity, overcoming the fears that kept them from opening up. And now, with the help of the angels, That person is starting to realize that there is no more reason to hide what they feel. The truth is about to be revealed, and with it, a transformation will come that will change everything. But this transformation will not only be in your relationship, it will also be within themselves. The angels reveal that by opening up to you, they will also be opening up to a new phase in their life, a phase where love will be the guide. You may have noticed signs of this change recently. Perhaps that person has started to seek you out more, to show themselves more present or more interested in what you have to say. The angels say that these are small steps towards the greater revelation that is to come. Every word, every gesture, is preparing the ground for the moment when they will finally open up completely. The angels ask you to continue being patient because this truth is about to emerge in a way you did not expect. It might be in an unexpected conversation, in a gesture of affection that carries more meaning than you think. When that moment comes, the angels want you to be open-hearted, ready to receive what that person has to say. They also want you to know that, even though this revelation is something you have long expected, it can still be overwhelming. What this person is about to tell you is not just about their feelings, but about the fears and insecurities that have prevented them from opening up before. There will be a profound sharing, a baring of the soul, and it will require understanding and acceptance from you. The angels ask you to remember that this is a journey of healing, both for you and for this person. And this healing can only fully happen when both are ready to accept the truth with love, without judgment, without expectations. This is a moment of unity, of deep connection, where souls meet without barriers, without fears. You have been waiting for this moment for a long time, and now it is almost here. The angels show that the path is clear, that everything that was holding this person back from opening up is being removed. What remains is pure love, a love that has been quietly growing and is now about to bloom. Get ready for what is to come. The angels assure that this revelation will bring a new phase for both of you, a phase where truth will be the foundation of a new beginning. What this person is about to tell you will change everything, but it will also bring a clarity that you have never had before. Now that you are closer to the truth, the angels want you to understand the profound meaning of this revelation. What is about to happen between you is not just a confession of feelings, it is the beginning of a new journey, a new phase, where both of you will be able to connect at an even higher level. The angels show that over time, you both have been shaped for this moment. Every obstacle, every silence, and every hesitant gesture had a divine purpose. This person, who has carried their fears and insecurities for so long, is finally ready to break free from these chains. And in doing so, they will also be freeing themselves to love you in a way that perhaps they have never been able to before. The angels reveal that this transformation will not only be in the relationship between you, but also within each of you. This person is about to grow emotionally, to mature, and you will be a crucial part of this process. By opening up to you, this person will also be embracing their own vulnerability. For a long time, they feared what could happen if they allowed their feelings to be known. But now, with the help of the angels, they realize that the love they feel is much stronger than any fear. They are ready to face the challenges that this love may bring, and more than that, they are ready to share this journey with you. The angels also ask you to be prepared for the changes that will come. When this truth is finally revealed, it will feel as if a heavy weight has been lifted off this person's shoulders. This may bring a new lightness to the relationship, but it may also require both of you to adjust to this new dynamic. It is a moment of great emotion, where the barriers that once existed finally fall, allowing love to flow freely. You may feel overwhelmed by this new reality, and that is understandable. After all, when someone holds such deep feelings for so long, releasing these emotions can be intense. But the angels want you to know that they will be by your side every step of this journey, guiding you and this person to find the balance and harmony they need to move forward. The angels also remind that true love is not only about moments of happiness. It requires patience, understanding, and sometimes sacrifices. But by opening up to this truth, you and this person will be building a solid foundation for something much greater. This love has the potential to become a source of healing, not just for the both of you, but for everyone around you. The angels show that this union will be marked by mutual growth, where both will learn more about themselves and the power of unconditional love. Finally, the angels ask you to embrace this revelation with gratitude. What is about to be said to you is a gift, a recognition of the love and light you have brought into this person's life. And now, they are ready to give it back to you, wholeheartedly. Prepare for a new beginning, because what is coming is more than just a mere change. It is the opportunity to experience a love that transcends the ordinary. This person is about to tell you something that has long been kept in their heart. And when this happens, you will know that all the effort, all the waiting was worth it. The angels want you to receive this truth with open arms, because it is the key to a future you never imagined. Remember that by opening up to this new reality, you will also be opening the doors to a new version of yourself. The angels remind you to keep the faith, for this love was carefully prepared by them for you. Everything you have experienced so far has just been the prelude to what is to come. And what is to come will be a journey of love, growth, and transformation that will deeply touch your heart. The revelation you have been eagerly awaiting is about to happen. And when it does, you will understand that the love this person feels for you has always been there, even in moments of silence. What is to come is not just a truth, it is the beginning of something greater, something the angels always knew was meant to happen. Get ready, for love is about to bloom in a way you could never have imagined. Now that you grasp the depth of this truth and what is about to unfold, remember, the angels have always been by your side, guiding each step of this journey. This revelation is not just the end of a wait, but the start of a new phase filled with love, transformation, and growth. What follows will be mighty, and you are ready to receive all that the universe has in store for you. If this message has touched your heart and you feel prepared for this transformation, remember to subscribe to the channel. By doing so, you will keep receiving the divine messages that the angels have specially prepared to guide your love life and spiritual path. Turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos, because each message could be the answer you have been seeking. Join our community of light, where together we continue to walk with love, faith, and the angels' guidance. Trust in what is to come and remember, the angels are with you every step of the way on this journey.